You too. Goodbye. Girl, you know cool. Jesus, I'm counting on the AC in here. My goodness. Good morning. Thanks for making it Digibuy. You're speaking with Tiffany. How may
This is ridiculous. I have never been disrespected like this in my entire life.
I'm sorry.
Of
Hello.
course you are sorry. I have been waiting for 6 consecutive minutes for you to answer me, but no! You want to waste my time sitting around in your little cubicle doing absolutely nothing.
Excuse me.
Excuse me? You are utterly disrespectful. Look at how you're speaking to me. How do you even still have your job? I demand to speak with your supervisor.
Let me see if I can locate my supervisor. May I put you on a brief hold?
Now you're going to make me wait again? This is
Okay.
outrageous.
No. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. No. Listen to me, Miss Bullbuck and Dopey Conqueror. I realize you wake up with a strength this morning and you want to come with like an impatient self, come chat to me in any way. But listen to me, Satan. Not today.
Who is this?
Shut up
And bend over.
I know you hear me talk same way. First of all, learn this. You call me, and never me call you, bright and outside. You think you don't want assistance, miss?
Oh, I am so sorry.
Then no, you're going to talk about how do you still have your job? No, miss, come move me. Please come move me, because I never have there, so. You must think more people like you are calling me every day. No, miss.
Is your
You never
super...
talk to me. Supervisor busy. I'm busy?
Okay,
Miss, where you want? You run up call time.
I ordered a purse off Amazon, and I'm not really seeing...
I'm a what? You know, you almost said, good morning. Thanks for making it Digibuy. Order for that.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
You know what, lady? Go and make Amazon wish you an extraordinary day. Come up on the phone.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son, pop the clock to feed himself and family. My enemies, your enemies, my enemies, we whip them up like a guillotine. Till yellow tanks around the...
Tiffany. Small prank call?
Oh, what you...
I gotta wake up the man. Hello?
Is this the supervisor?
Unfortunately, the supervisor is assisting another customer. However, we do apologize for the lengthy wait. We are experiencing a high volume of calls today. May I please have your name and I'll be happy to assist.
Happy to assist. Do you have a choice? My name is Michelle. Now, I bought a purse off Amazon, right? And for some reason, I'm not...
I'm
Hello? Hello?